Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. My car is about to hit 20,000 miles. I had this car about 2 years. For Taycan, you gotta do 20,000 mile service or every 2 years. It consists of the air filter change, brake flush, and a bunch of multi-inspection. And I think the water drain, plugs, batteries, all that. So it's about to hit that, and I'm sure all these other dealers offer different price points for 20,000 mile service. So I will take you on that journey of how much it costs. And I know some people order the air filters and windshield wiper blades from Suncoast. That's where most of the Porsche owners buy their genuine parts. They sell the cheapest from their website. So this is how it goes. 20,000 miles. It's sad because I love this car, and more it gets older, sooner I have to say goodbye to this car. So hopefully I can ride this car for a long time, like 5 years, 6 years, and get a next car and see if I want to get another Porsche or Tesla. So this is ordered to my specs, and I love this car. Right now, 20,000 miles. Sad, but that's how it goes. So I called around, and Rusnek Pasadena Porsche had the best rate for 20,000 mile service around Southern California. Basically, I called all the dealers. This place is very, very reasonable. Very nice. It's for 2022 Porsche Taycan service. Charging cable, it's not yet available, so they're not gonna do that. But they will replace the electric passage compartment heater. That's a recall for my year, and the reprogramming the central computer, PCM. So that's cool. These are the service that they're gonna do. It's all this inspection. They're gonna change the brake fluid and the air filter. So that's about it. Or they'll check all this inspection, underbody and the bottom, the drain cleaning, all that stuff. Or they'll do the hand wash for my car. And they also gave me the loaner car, which I got a 2024 Macan. So I'll show you real quick. So anyways, check Rusnek Pasadena Porsche. I'm really thankful. They said they're done with the car. They will actually deliver that car to my house so they can pick up the loaner. This is the 2024 Macan. Beautiful, nice bumper with the auto drive system in the front. There's this thing here. This is an optional wheel that you choose if you have to buy the car. It's very nice looking because there's a better wheel on it. The inside, once you go in, okay, so this is inside of a Macan. You turn this and you can get the AC. So look at all this nice looking system, but now there's a Macan EV, so it'll probably look different, but this is the most updated, and it comes with a CarPlay, so that's nice. It has the clock, and I wish the Taycan had this sunroof because it comes with the cover. How clever is that? Because it gets really hot. Teslas and Taycans, those panoramic roofs, it's hot, and they said you cannot tint it because it might break the glass. Look how convenient, and it's very, very stable, very nice, very rugged. It comes with a nice, like a Bordeaux interior. Compared to my Taycan's better, and it's missing that little knob, I guess, but it's very nice feeling. Coming from EV to the gas car, it's so slow. When you step on this base Macan, it doesn't go. It has that weird delay. When you punch it, there's a delay for like half a second to a second, then it goes. And when it takes off, it's not even fast. So let's see this sticker. So look at that. Total price $72,830. And these are the options that came with it. And I think this will be good enough for my wife. I wish I get to drive the Cayenne as a loaner so I can kind of see if Porsche SUV is worth driving, because I'll never buy this car. Anyways, but my wife might want it, so because it's very cheap, and then if you buy used, it'll be even cheaper. Anyways, let me show you the final result of my inspection and the 20,000 mile service. So after the multi-inspection and all the service is done, they actually send you this link. And look, 2022 Porsche Taycan inspection video. So let's watch that. So,
thank you for choosing Red Knight Pasadena Porsche Service. My name is Ricardo and I'll be working on your vehicle. This is a brake pad thickness measuring tool and I'll be using it to measure your brake pads. Green is passing, yellow is caution, and red is fail. Your front brake pads measured at 9 millimeters, which is good. And your rear brake pads are at about 7 millimeters, which is okay as well. This is a tire tread depth measuring tool and I'll be using it to measure your tires. Anything at 3 millimeters or less is a failing measurement. Your left rear tire is at 3 millimeters, which is a failing measurement. The tire also has inner wear, so I do recommend replacing this tire at this time. Your right rear tire is at about 2 millimeters, which is a failing measurement. The tire also has inner wear, cords are showing, so it does need to be replaced at this time. Your left front tire is at about 5 millimeters, which is good. The tire also has inner wear. Your right front tire is at about 5 millimeters as well. The tire also has inner wear. Your rear underbody panel looks good. Center of the vehicle looks okay. Your front underbody panel looks good. Thank you for choosing Red Knight Pasadena Porsche Service.
that was pretty cool because I never seen that done before for any other dealer. And I'm sure the other Porsche dealer might be doing that, I'm not sure. So basically that's their breakdown. The tires, I already knew about 20,000 miles I have to change the Continental, so I'll change all 4 tires again. I'll make a separate video. See, both front tires for that's the price. The wheel alignment, and you need the front camera calibration with the alignment. So those are 2 together, and these are the inspections that I passed. So horns, headlamp, alignment, washer fluid, washer, windshield cracks, everything is all good. Any leaks, brake system, everything is good. Brakes are good, so that's good news, and the battery is good. It was the cheapest that I could find, under $1,000. So I mean, I recommend that place. It's great. Maybe, you know, depending on when you call, it might have changed the pricing, and depending on the specials, not sure, but I got a great price just calling around different price. So just call around and then find out different dealers. They do exact same service. Anyways, thank you for viewing my video and see you on the next one.